पीछे कर देता हूँ ताकि मैं सेल्फ कॉन्शियस ना हो जाऊँ और लोग मेरे को मत देखें. I fucked up and I know it. All my life I've never worked hard, and if you're someone like me, you can probably relate. I had some reasons not to work hard. मन नहीं कर रहा है, बनियों से बात करनी है, बाहर जाना है, you know, like some basic stuff जो तुम भी शायद बोलते होंगे. I just chased girls and got high. मेरी मम्मा ने देख ली बस ये, क्योंकि मैं नहीं करता था. Mama, I don't do drugs. I think there are only 3 things that a teenager sees in his life: money, pussy, and drugs. But I never made any money or did any drugs, so it was just pussy for me. वो भी नहीं मिली. And drugs. Those 3 things are just distraction from doing what you really need to do. I mean, they give you instant gratification and boost your ego for a bit. Also, getting girls is pretty easy. You just have to shower every day and not look weird, and you, my friend, can get laid. Right? You might say that is awesome. But in the famous words of the GOAT Lil Wayne, as soon as I come to my senses. Yeah, you might have gotten laid a couple of times, but nothing came out of it. No meaningful relationships, no meaningful connections came out of it. You just fuck buddies, or you just messing around, hooking up, and that is not the way to live your life. Then you find out that you can have the same feeling of self-gratification by working hard and pursuing what you like the most. But instead you take the easy way out and go to parties and get drunk and high. But after a while you realize you wake up with vomit on the side of the bed, headache, and not to mention the hangover. जिन्होंने किया है उनको पता होगा, like it's not worth it. I quit working hard, or should I say hard enough. And I blamed it on everything and everyone. But you might say you are figuring yourself out. No, you're not. You're just blaming me for telling you what you really need to do. There are kids in this world that were told that they are smart and genius. They do not have to work hard to get something done. Instead, we should be telling them, look how much work you put in. And this is a generation of kids who just wait to shit to happen. Not gonna lie, I'm one of them. It doesn't fall into your lap. You might have the best looking face in the entire class, heck, even the entire school, but having that pretty face won't take you anywhere. Beauty is going to fade away. Doesn't matter if you're a woman or a man. The only thing that will matter in the end of the day is how much work you put in. I'll be turning 22 pretty soon, and I realized that I just spent my whole life chasing clout, for that matter, but I could have grinded and made myself a better version of myself. You getting me? A better version of myself, Saksham 2.0 or 3.0 or maybe like 5.0, who knows. Just improving my skills and getting better at things that I'm good at initially too, that I'm good at, that I like, that I'm just elaborating on them, just explaining them, just building my skills and just being a better person overall. With all the procrastinators who are like me, laying down with the bag of chips on their hand, scrolling through YouTube, and probably will watch another video after this, I just want to tell you that it's not going to fall into your lap. You have to work things out. You have to work hard. You have to pursue your dreams, or like do what you want to do. You have to put in the work. You have to put in the hours. Stop blaming your shitty life. Everybody has their own demons, and they're probably fighting their own demons, and you're not special. You have your problems. Go fix them. Go figure it out. Nobody else is going to do it for you. I wish I could tell this to my younger self, but probably someone who's watching this video might relate to it. Like वो अपने पे काम करेगा and he'll probably become a better person of him, a better version of himself. He'll probably become a better version of himself. I only made this video so I can be held accountable from now on and not procrastinate. Like, if you like the video, please leave a like and comments में बताओ what do you think about it. And please subscribe to my channel. यही बोलते हैं ना, यही बोलते हैं. Or always remember, it's never too late, bro. Keep grinding.